Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Dorothy, and welcome to our science class. Did you enjoy the song, kids? Very good. So for today, we will talk about the water, ice, and steam. So I have a question. How does the water turn into ice? Okay, first, you need a container. A container that we can fill in with water. Example is ice tray. And then, what will you do is you put inside a water. And then, followed by, after you put water inside the fill tray or the ice tray, I want you to put it inside the freezer. Okay? And then, after, the ice tray will become ice. That's the water turned into ice. Okay? How does the ice turn into water? Example, I have here an ice and then you put it in outside and there's a sunlight. That's the time the ice will melt and it will become water. So the question is, water turns into ice when it became very hot or cold. Water turns into ice when it became very cold. So another one. Ice turns into steam or water when it is not cold enough. What do you think the answer? Yes, ice turns into water when it is not cold enough. Okay, now let's talk about the float and sink objects. So what is a float? Float are things that can be carried by water. So example is a leaf. Again, leaf. A leaf can float into the water. Another one is a paper boat. A paper boat can float into the water. Another one is the cork. And then another one is a drinking straw. Next is a paper clip and a beach ball or a toy car that made of plastic. Okay, again, these are the things that can float into the water. Okay, next, let's learn about sink. Again, sink. These are things that can be fall or drop to a lower level. Okay, when we say sink objects, this means that the objects are heavy. Okay, the water cannot carry the objects. So, example, this one is a padlock. Again, padlock is heavy. That's why it's fall down. Another one is scissors, marbles, spoon, and flashlight. Okay, these are the things that can sink in the water.